Hey photographer, Jessica Whitaker here, and we are in New York City for the cutest, girliest photo shoot here in the West Village. I am working with YouTuber Lauren Norris, who has such a fun, feminine style. I come to New York City a couple times a year for client photo shoots, and I live full-time in Seattle. But wherever in the world you are at, you can book me for your photo shoot. Just head to my website, jessicawhitaker.co/book. Now, before we get into it, I want to thank my sponsor, Squarespace, for making this free photo shoot and video possible. As a photographer, you also play the role of stylist, location scout, customer service rep, accountant, and snack provider. And you need a website that's just like you, can do it all. Enter Squarespace, the all-in-one website platform for photographers. It's more than just a website platform. You can schedule and accept your photo shoot bookings, sell digital products like PDF guides, or physical products like art prints, host your domain and custom email, create email lists, and present your work through public or password-protected galleries. If you're a photographer operating during late morning hours, rest assured that Squarespace has you covered. You can quickly troubleshoot any challenges with their round-the-clock live chat and comprehensive help library and 24/7 customer service. A photo speaks 1,000 words, but a seamless client experience on your website is how you can book those $1,000 clients. Build and launch your new website in just a weekend, but if you need more time, you can give Squarespace a 14-day free trial. And when you're ready to launch your beautiful new site, head to squarespace.com/Jessica Whitaker for 10% off your first purchase of a new website or a domain. And then let's do a little walking. And let me actually just adjust my settings real quick. Oh my gosh. Wow. Looks like a movie set. Beautiful. Oh my gosh. Come on now. That's so cute. And then stop right there. And then Will, can you pull her in nice and close? Oh, cute. And then, yep, give us a little leg pop. How are you reading my mind, Lauren? That's so cute. Oh my gosh. Can you give her a little dip, maybe? Let's see. Oh my gosh. So gorgeous. So gorgeous. Okay, when you dip this time, this is gonna feel a little unnatural. I want you to slightly pull forward so it opens everything up. It gives us that nice jawline, the cheekbone. Come on now. Oh my gosh. Yes, that is perfection. That's so cute. Oh my word, give her a little kiss on the cheek. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh my gosh, okay, look at how, okay, come on, model behavior. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's do a little close-up one. Maybe you're kind of holding onto Will's arm and you're kind of snuggling in. This is the photo like that the Facebook moms want to see. You know, they're like, okay, they're doing good in New York. Nothing to worry about here. Cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's see. What if we do one where I want you to do a really big laugh, like Will just told you the funniest joke, or I just told you the funniest joke ever. Okay, 1, 2. Oh my gosh, Jessica, so funny, beautiful. Oh my goodness. Okay, and then I'm gonna have you guys, walk back a few yards and then walk towards me, holding onto the arm. Super cute. Oh my gosh, gorgeous. Gorgeous. Oh my goodness. And stop right there. Beautiful, beautiful. And then I'm gonna do a nice close-up of you. And then Will, I'll have you look at me too. Oh my goodness. Let's see. So beautiful. And now I'm gonna have you guys face each other and hold hands. And one of my favorite poses to do, and have you guys just go back and forth. Yes, perfect. You guys have done this before. Come on now, that is so cute. Cute, cute, cute. Okay, pull her in nice and close, Will. I know you wanna give her a kiss. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, now I want you guys to do this thing called, wait, is that, okay, there, stop. I want you guys to kiss with your teeth. So basically what you're gonna do is when you, don't worry, you don't have to go to the orthodontist. You're not gonna chip a tooth. Instead of like when we kiss in real life, it's like pursed, but then to get that nice sharp jawline, you're gonna go and just kiss. It's almost like that moment right before the kiss, and it's gonna be nice and flattering. So I'm gonna have you guys give that a go. Beautiful, Gorgeous, gorgeous. And then Lauren, I'm gonna have you put one of your hands up by his neck, wrap it around. Yes, beautiful, beautiful. Now give her a tickle, Will. Beautiful. Now Lauren, look at me. He's so funny when he makes you laugh. Beautiful. Oh my gosh, that's so cute, you guys. You guys are so, so, so cute.
Oh, these are so good.
Are you even kidding me right now? I mean, Lauren, look, I mean, it's giving leg. It's giving leg, it's getting model behavior. You are so gorgeous. And Will, like, he studied, or you taught him well.
Yeah, I studied.
It's GQ. Oh my gosh, so, so, so cute. Oh, so gorgeous.
Those are so cute.
Thank you. Let's find, oh, you know what? Let's find another spot. Let's do the coats.
Okay.
I love the pink.
Perfect.
It's super cute. And we will go down. Honestly, even right here is really nice with just the brick. Okay, and I'm gonna have you take a step. Yep, beautiful. And actually, I'll have you guys move down just a hair just so I get that back out of the frame. Yep, perfect. And actually, Will, I'm gonna have you be on the outside just because you're supposed to protect her from the cars. Beautiful. And you know what? Actually, take a step forward just even so we get that ivy in it. Beautiful. Oh my goodness, you guys. How cute. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Oh my word, so cute. Cute. And then Lauren, maybe I'll have you kick the jacket back a little bit and put your hand on your waist. Oh my word, okay, come on now. So gorgeous. Beautiful. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna do a close-up photo too. So beautiful, you guys. Oh my goodness. And then I want you to pull her in close. Yeah, beautiful. Gorgeous. And can you guys kind of do Eskimo kisses? I think that's, do your noses together. Yeah, yeah. Cute. Beautiful. And then this is gonna feel unnatural, but have you do that lean forward just ever so slightly for me. Yep. Oh my gosh, come on, hair. Oh my goodness. Gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. You guys are so cute. Oh my gosh.
Oh, those are so good.
This pink jacket, or purple, I mean, this is
Yeah, like, I don't know.
amazing. Oh my gosh.
These are so good.
You guys are so cute. I'm so glad that you like that. And I'm so, when you were like sending me all the dresses, I'm like, okay, I know she's a pro. We have to shoot everything because it's all so cute. Cute, cute, cute. Oh my goodness, you guys. Cute. Oh my gosh. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. Cute. Stay just like that. I'm just gonna have you, oh, actually, yeah, the coat did it, sorry. The coat was just tucked a little bit naturally, but cute. And then Lauren, look over at me. Cute. And then give her a big snuggle. Beautiful. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, cute, cute. Oh my gosh, cute, cute, cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, now I'll have you pick it up a little bit and maybe grab, there's like the white lining. I'm gonna have you just also make sure you grab that lining too. So then, yeah, beautiful, perfect. Oh my word, okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. So, so cute. Cute. Do a few horizontal. Beautiful. Beautiful. Gorgeous. Oh. Ooh. What if we do one of you sitting on, or maybe not even sitting, but let's first do like you're leaning here, you could like cross your legs so then the dress kind of splays out really nicely. Let's see. Ooh, cute. Whatever feels natural. Whatever feels natural, that's where we're in. But you know what? This is you in your natural state. Oh my gosh. Gorgeous. And then do a big laugh for me. Beautiful. So cute. Oh my goodness. And then maybe even if you want to show a little leg, you can grab a little bit more of the dress and just have a little bit pop out. Yeah, cute. Oh my goodness. Gorgeous. You're sitting on the stoop, and I want to do it where it's like the dress is like so fluffy around you, and it's almost like you're just sitting here and you like grab some of it, and we'll still have, you know, fabric down here, but so it's up by your face too, and just so like, so casual. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, the puffy sleeves are so cute. Beautiful. And then maybe pop one hand behind you just so we see your waist. Oh my gosh, you look so snatched right now. Beautiful. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, love. Okay, I'm gonna do full body. So freaking cute. Oh my gosh. And then maybe throw this hand that's down, keep it up in the air. We have so much beautiful space around us. Yeah, gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. Beautiful. And then I'll have you stand up again, and this time I'll have you stand here, and let's do one where you can pick the dress up, okay, instead of picking it up, kind of fluff it with your fingertips, so then that's gonna help it be nice and puffy and create a really beautiful shape. Okay. And we have the nice greenery in the background. Okay, so let's just wait for these guys. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. And you're so sweet too. Like your style matches your personality. It's so cute. So cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, and now can you do like throw both hands over your head? Oh my gosh, yeah. Cute, 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 cute. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. And then maybe play with your hair a little bit. Beautiful. And then maybe fluff the dress with one hand. Gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Ooh, that's so cute. And then maybe do a spin and kind of laugh forward. Yeah. Oh my gosh. So adorable. Beautiful. Lift your face ever so slightly. Yeah. Beautiful. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. Come on, videography. Okay. Like. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh my gosh, gorgeous. Oh my gosh, with the disco ball and the little bow. That's so cute. Gorgeous. Ooh, love that, love. Add a little bend to your elbow so that we get your waist. Oh yeah, beautiful. Beautiful, yep, beautiful. And then turn your torso ever so slightly towards me. Still looking back, super cute. Yeah, cute, cute, cute. Oh my gosh, cute. So cute. Maybe like a close-up of the feathers. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh my gosh, gorgeous. Oh my gosh, with the disco ball and the little bow. That's so cute. Gorgeous. Ooh, love that, love. Add a little bend to your elbow so that we get your waist. Oh yeah, beautiful. Beautiful, yep, beautiful. And then turn your torso ever so slightly towards me. Still looking back, super cute. Yeah. Cute, cute, cute. Oh my gosh, cute. So cute. Maybe like a close-up of the feathers. You know what could be cute? Okay, maybe I'm going overboard by being professional videographer all of a sudden. What if you like walk around the corner? Could be cute. Okay, and go. So cute. Beautiful. Cute. And then let's just wait. Oh, there we go. Now it's going. Okay. Oh my gosh, the wind. Gorgeous. Ah, that's so cute. Beautiful. Amazing. Okay, you have to look at how cute this is. And this will all be brightened, so it looks like what we're seeing, but like it looks like a movie set. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Cute. Oh. Oh my goodness. Gorgeous. And then what if you do really like do both hands in the air, dancing in the club. Yeah, cute, 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 cute. Oh my gosh. Yes, so cute. Oh my gosh. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Oh my word. Cute. Oh my gosh. Come on now. I think we are so good. You are so cute.
Those are so cute.
Oh my gosh. That's so cute. If you're a photographer who's looking to join a kind, encouraging, and inclusive photography community, check out my free Facebook group called Build and Bloom. This is the best place to ask questions about your specific photography business. So whether you need help drafting an email response to a difficult client situation, or you want an extra set of eyes on the website you're about to launch, Build and Bloom is my best free resource. Just search it up in Facebook groups. I come to New York City a couple times a year for client photo shoots, and I live full-time in Seattle. But wherever in the world you are at, you can book me for your photo shoot. Just head to my website, jessicawhitaker.co/book. I've also launched season 2 of the Build and Bloom Photography podcast, available for you to listen and learn on whatever platform you love. I believe in you and I believe in your business. Be sure to hit subscribe to be the first to know when new free videos for your photography business come out, and I will see you over in my next video. Click right here to watch and to learn. I'll see you there.